2022. As you already know, we are wrapping up the year, and 2023 will be here before you know it. But before we get into 2023, we wanted to present you all with some business planning tips. A little checklist for you all to be able to make sure you have dotted all of your I's and crossed all of your T's for the end of the year. Let's get right into it. So let's get started with tax. So it's 12/31. We're approaching the end of the year. When it comes to your taxes, you definitely want to make sure that you have everything on the books and recorded that will be considered taxable income. Remember, the goal is to minimize tax liabilities and maximize any tax breaks. What will happen and what will take place will be based on your business entity structure. So whether you're on cash basis method of accounting or you're using accrual basis method of accounting, this will help you determine what moves you can even make as we approach the end of the year. If you are on a cash basis, you definitely want to make sure you get everything in by at least 12/27. There's a hard cutoff date at 12/31, meaning, girl, when the clock strikes 12 at midnight on 12/31, whatever is on the books is going to be considered taxable. And so if you're on cash basis, you want to make sure if you are trying to get some last minute expenses in, last minute donations covered, you want to make sure those are in and that those transactions are hitting your bank account and hitting your books before that 12/31 deadline. If you're on an accrual basis, you have a little wiggle room, but you definitely still want to make sure there is some sort of a plan in place to make sure that any of those transactions that you have, again, to help you minimize those tax liabilities and maximize those breaks, you definitely want to make sure they are on the books and recorded at 12/31. After 12/31, we're done. No more. 2022 is officially a wrap. Again, from an accounting perspective, the books can be open as we close up and wrap up the year. But from a tax perspective, at 12/31, when the clock strikes 12 and you're out and the ball drops, just know that the ball will also be dropping on all of that 2022 financial information and financial data. It is going to be a wrap. And so what you can do as we approach the end of the year, we have a few weeks left. What you can do is schedule a tax planning consultation with Luxe Financials, and we'll help you determine how you can maximize any tax breaks that you have available to you, what ones you're missing, and how you can minimize any tax liabilities. You want to make sure you get these things done before we hit 2023. I want to say that one more time. You want to make sure you get these things done before we get to 2023. Why? Because when we get to 2023, 2022 is over. Again, when the ball drops at midnight on New Year's Eve, also the ball will be dropping on your finances. And so you want to make sure you get these things in and done and settled before we get to 2023. This is how you be proactive as a business owner, and we have Luxe Financials here to help you. So head on over to the link in our bio and schedule a consultation today, so we can get you started with a tax plan to help you and your company start off 2023 on a good, solid note and feeling confident before you head into tax season.